Earth's days are getting shorter. On the 5th of August 2025, Earth had one of its shortest days ever. It was 1.51 milliseconds shorter than the usual 24 hours. Scientists say this is part of a new pattern that started in 2020. Earth is spinning a little faster than before, but experts are not sure why. Some think it might be because of changes in the oceans, the weather, or inside Earth's core. Even though the change is small, it could cause problems in the future. GPS and internet systems need very exact timing to work well. If Earth keeps spinning faster, these systems may need to change. This may also affect people and animals. Our bodies follow natural daily rhythms. Some scientists are studying if shorter days can change how we sleep or feel. They are still looking for answers, but they agree it is important to keep watching this trend.